This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix your connection is not private issue on Google Chrome browser. So if you're trying to open websites on your Google Chrome browser but you see this message, your connection is not private, follow these simple solutions to fix this issue. First of all, open your Chrome browser and click on this three dot, settings, privacy and security, and here select enhanced protection and then click on this three dot, more, clear browsing data, time range all time, clear data. Once done, open your computer settings, network and internet, click on properties and select private. After that, restart your computer and it should fix your connection not private issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.